Welcome to Asyn Code. The best way to learn coding is by staying engaged. Like and subscribe for more. Named Entity Recognition, NER, is a fundamental task in natural language processing, NLP, where the goal is to identify and classify named entities in text, such as people, organizations, locations, dates, monetary values, and more. Spacy, a popular NLP library, offers a powerful pre-trained model that can quickly identify these entities. When we process a text using Spacy's NLP object, it converts the raw text into a doc object, which holds various linguistic annotations like tokens, syntactic dependencies, and named entities. Each named entity is stored as a span object, and we can easily access its text and label, type, such as person, for a persona s name, or org, for an organization. The output allows us to automatically extract key information from large amounts of text, enabling applications like automated information extraction, text summarization, and more. The process is efficient and powerful, leveraging Spacy's pre-trained models and easy-to-use API. Importing the Spacy library. Spacy is a popular library for natural language processing, NLP, that includes many NLP tools like tokenization, NER, parsing, etc. Loading the pre-trained Spacy model for example, ish language. Spacy.load is a built-in function used to load a specific model. The model can be small, SM, medium, MB, or large, LG. N_core_web_SM is a small model for example, ish text, optimized for speed but with decent accuracy. NLP is an object that represents the loaded Spacy model, which we'll use to process text. Defining a string text, which is a regular Python string, a built-in data type in Python. A string in Python is a sequence of characters, enclosed in either single or double quotes. Processing the text with the Spacy model. This turns the text into a doc object. A doc is a Spacy object class that contains processed text with all the NLP annotations, tokens, parts of speech, entities, etc. The NLP object acts like a function, and calling it with a string processes the text into a doc. Printing a message to explain what we are doing. The print function is a built-in Python function that outputs information to the console. Looping through the doc.ents property to access named entities. Doc.ents is an attribute, or property, of the doc object that contains a list of all recognized named entities. In Python, lists are ordered collections of items. Here, each item in doc.ents is a named entity object. We are using a for loop to iterate over this list. Ent is an object of type span and spacey, representing a slice of the text with an identified entity. Ent.text is a property of the span class that returns the text of the entity, the actual word or phrase. Ent.label underscore is a property of the span class that returns the type or label of the named entity, such as org, gpe, etc. Additional print statement to display entity type information. This loop is essentially the same as the previous one, but it emphasizes both the entity text and its label. Ent.text is a string that represents the entity found in the text, like Apple. $1 billion. Ent.label underscore is a string that represents the entity type, like org, person, etc. This gives us an easy way to view both the entity and its classification. Now run our code. I appreciate you watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want more content.